EHR integration felt like the final step, but turned out to be the beginning of a whole new problem. Timelines stretch, security reviews stall, workflows break, the integration goes live, but clinicians bypass it. Months later, no one can explain why the data is wrong. The product works, but the integration doesn't work. My name is Marty, and at OSP, we have spent years helping health systems and enterprise vendors navigate exactly this challenge. In this video, we're going to tell you why enterprise EHR integration software fails so much, what actually breaks in the deployments, and how to build integrations that survive long after go live. So a few years ago, the job description for an EHR integration looked straightforward. You connect an API, maybe you map some fields, you exchange data, and then you ship that. But that model is gone. It's old news. Starting in 2026, enterprise integrations must support expanded USCDI datasets, stricter standardized API requirements, updated smart on FHIR launch behavior, and overlapping regulatory timelines that change quarterly. So the integration your team is scoping today is not being deployed to a stable environment. It is landing inside a moving system. So that means there's going to be aligning data contracts, clinical workflows, security, compliance, operations, and upgrading cadence before you ever write a single line of integration code. So here's the part most vendors do not want to admit. Missing APIs do not cause most integration failures. A lack of ownership and design discipline causes them. We see the same 6 patterns repeatedly break integrations. No one knows whether the integration works in real care delivery, so failures across these lines are missed. Data can flow correctly and still fail in practice. It shows up on the wrong screen at the wrong time for the wrong user. Clinicians work around it, operations add manual steps, and the ROI just fades away right in front of you. Security and authorization are added too late, triggering review delays. And after go live, no one owns monitoring or change management. The integration degrades and fails. These failures are too common, and they're preventable with disciplined design from the start. Even when an integration launches successfully, on time, within scope, with good data, it does not stay successful on its own. Without a versioning strategy, a regression testing process, and a defined release management cadence, your integration starts drifting the moment it goes live. Choosing to deploy enterprise EHR software is not a one and done kind of decision. It's an ongoing operational commitment to manage a system that is continually evolving. Enterprise EHR solutions that cannot plan for change and instead just react to it will always be chasing a problem that is already 3 steps ahead. So what does a well-built enterprise integration look like in practice? It is beyond technical architecture. It is a set of decisions made before the first line of code and a set of commitments honored long after go live. So why OSP? We assign a single accountable integration owner on every engagement. We require a signed data contract before development begins. We design security and authorization architecture at the start, and we built the operated model into the project scope from day uno, from day one. That is the difference between an integration partner and an integration specialist, and that is what modern enterprise EHR integration services actually require. If your enterprise EHR integration is delayed, unstable, or approaching go live without a clear operating model, now is the right time to take a hard look at what you have built. Visit osplabs.com and schedule a technical consultation. We will review your architecture against the checklist we just walked through. We will review your data contracts, your workflow design, your security posture, your upgrade readiness, and we will give you the clearest picture of where you stand and what to do next. I'm Marty with OSP Labs. Thanks for watching.